Today we're going to be replacing the anti-sway bar links on a third generation Toyota Prius. Shiny. Just remember, if you attempt anything in these videos, you could end up burnt, bruised, or bleeding.
Or you could save this much money, give it to your wife, and then she could do this.
Okay, welcome back to Saneauto. This episode we have a clunking noise in the front end of 2010 Toyota Prius Generation 3. We have some new anti-sway bar links ordered from Amazon. We have the old clunky tore up anti-sway bar links that were taken off of here. This one came off the driver's side, and you're going to watch me change the one on the passenger side. We're also breaking in the brand new Milwaukee Fuel, brushless. I'll put a link to the anti-sway bar links, in the description, and I'll put a link to the Milwaukee Fuel also in the description.
Are you using that old Milwaukee?
It's old Milwaukee time. Don't let my wife know. I'm gonna leave that there for a second. There we go. Okay, before we forget, we're gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on these lug studs so the threads don't get wore down or seized. Or most of the time that you have a stud that has to be replaced because nobody's ever been putting any anti-seize on them. They're dry on, dry off. All right, little spray lube. Never hurts on the threads there. Might as well hit these other threads while we're in here. No telling what we'll be working on next. Okay, of course I've got this jacked up, or I'm using my levitation powers. And I have a jack stand here because you got to go underneath here to get that nut. Didn't even need the pliers on that. These are 19 millimeter. Of course, a little anti-seize. my trusty flip socket back on here. Gotta be careful with this thing because it's got some massive hammers in here and it will way over tighten your lug nuts. There's this side's old anti-sway bar. Of course the boots are all gone and the grease is coming out of them and they were rattling around. But that's really all there is to it. Just gotta get your safety stand out from under there. Get your cardboard out. And done. Check out our other videos, all kinds of repairs on all kinds of vehicles and show cars, car shows, hot rods, mod rods, low riders, all kinds of neat stuff. Till the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. And if I seemed a little distracted in this video, it's because I'm simultaneously running load tests on each individual battery module on this hybrid battery. Check that out in a completely different video. This job with the links doesn't seem like it would cost that much, but if they're only charging 1 hour per labor each side and their labor rate's around $90 to $120, you got a couple $100 there. Plus, if they only charge you $50 per side on the links, you know, you're up over $3, and then fees, sales tax, all that, you're easily up over $400. And you could just click on the link and order the things in the description of the video and save several $100s. You could save enough money to where you could buy your own Milwaukee fuel. Thank you for watching our videos. Many of the events, shows, and people that we feature support much needed charities.
Bastante de eventos que nosotros filmamos soportan caridad.
Please take a child or a friend to one of these events and make sure that they're aware of all the good works that the great people of the car community do.
Por favor, lleva un niño o un amigo a los eventos para que sepa de buenos trabajos que hacen los coordinadores de evento. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.